Good afternoon, money makers. Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been away for a while, but I had to get some things straight in my personal life, so we're back at it. Now, this channel is transforming from a more income based, I would say, more into getting you more money right away instead of e-commerce. I think we're going to move away from e-commerce since it's pretty crowded and polluted. So we're going to do some more money making ways and to get more faster money into your pocket, and also how to save money and how to use the tax code, since I am a tax expert, how to use the tax code to even get tax free money. So this is more of a new 2022. We're going to go right into different things, avenues like options trading, uh, how to save, how to leverage your taxes so you can make more money and keep more money. More on the business, and also on the business side, how to grow your business, how to get funding for business and stuff. We're gonna talk to Terry Krauser later on in the year, so we can get her expertise. She does have a channel called Tips with Terry. If you want to go to that channel, I'll leave it a link inside the description here. But also, we want to get into OPM, which is other people's money. You want to start leveraging other people's money if you don't have the money or the credit right away to do some of these ventures, such as real estate ventures, such as trading, options trading, and all that good jazz. So, one of the ways you can start getting into trading, and also we're going to share some trading strategies here. I'm not going to go into too much of a detail of my strategy until I perfect it. Then we'll go into that. But the idea here is to use other people's money while using little of your money. Now you do need some money up front to make a little bit of other people's money. Other people's not going to just give you money without you having an investment. So if you were curious about trading or doing anything like as far as learning the stock market, use a prop firm. The best prop firm I found is the Funded Trader. And what's a prop firm? So a prop firm gives you money to trade with versus you using your own money to trade with. Now you do have to pass some parameters far as some details of how, so you got to be actually pretty decent at trading to in order to uh, start getting to one of these prop firms. But this, if you're a trader, if you read a little bit, if you've been practicing and you want to kind of go for it, but you don't have the money or the risk factor comes into play, this is a good way for you. So what a prop firm, again, what a prop firm is, they give you money to trade, and they don't give you money right away. So you have to pass these tests. So we're going to go into the pricing here. And again, the Funded Trader, I do recommend this because it's the one I've used. Uh, okay, so they have 3 different challenges, and that's what they call them, challenges. Let's read back up here. You got phase 1, which is you pass phase 1. Once you pass phase 1, you go to phase 2, and then after phase 2, you pass phase 2, you get the money to use to trade. And what happens is, I think they have a 80-20 split. I'm pretty sure that's what they went up to. They used to be 70, oh, it's a 90% split now, and bi-weekly payout. So when I joined, it was an 80-20, but 90%. So you get to keep 90% of the money that you earned, and they take 10% for loaning you the money. Now that is a great return on investments. Okay, so getting 90% of your money, and somebody's giving you money and they're only charging you 10%. There's some banks that won't give you that type of money without interest or anything. So they got the standard challenge, which is your standard challenge would be, you know, let's start here. Let's go with the 50. We don't want to go all the way up to 400,000. So let's start with something cheaper. So let's go up with the 50K challenge. So your leverage is 1 to 200. You got 5 days, 5 minimum days. So say you made your profit target of 5,000, which is 10% of 50,000. Say you made it in 3 or 4 or 5 days. You don't have to wait the whole full 30 days like some other prop trading, and you don't have to have trading days like a lot of prop firms want you to do 20 to 30 days of trading before they release you to the next step. So you have 35 days to even start it. So it may take you 35 days. Some people it take 5. You can slow grind it and get to your 10%. And phase 2 is half of that. So 5% of that. Max loss, which is incredible. So you can lose $6,000 as a max loss, but on a daily loss, you got up to $3,000 to lose. Okay? Now, the profit split, like I said, is 80%, but if you scale, which you go to the next challenge, meaning you're going to the next challenge, you're going to get 90% of scaling. So also you get refunded your money. So after you pass these challenges, you get refunded back your money. So you have to pass these challenges first, and you can do as many challenges as you want. You just have to repay them and restart them. And this one is only going for $315. So you're looking at, if you're pretty good at trading and you're only spending $315, they get a $50,000 account. Okay, so they give you $50,000 over leverage to work with, but you just have to make 10% of 50,000, which is 5,000 on the first day, and then on the second day, the second challenge is 2,500, and then when you get your money, you have to maintain the 5,000. So that's pretty good for $315. Now they do have leaderboards. Uh, I know they have one of the owners actually have a channel and he actually has a program where you can if you don't know how to trade, he'll show you how to trade and how to trade different ways. I believe he does swing trading. I don't want to say no, he doesn't do swing. The swing takes a little longer. I want to say scalp. I think he scalps, but I'm not for sure because I'm not in his program. But from what I hear and all the other stuff, he does have a great program. But since I know how to trade already, I don't need to get into that program. But it's always good learning if you're into that. Okay. So again, we want to start leveraging other people's money. Funded Trader is the best prop firm I've seen out that I've tested out. I tested out a few other ones. A few other ones are decent, but I find the Funded Trader to be the best, especially for the bang for your buck. Now they do have 2 different brokers that they go with. That's the Nash broker and then the Purple Trading broker. So they have 2 different brokers, so you don't have to choose just one broker. Okay. Um, so that's pretty much it. And then, oh yeah, then the 1-step challenge. Let's go to that. As soon as it loads up here. But pretty much the 1-step challenge is you only got $100,000. There's no time limit on that. You have to make the 10,000, and then the max loss is 12,000, and then 100% refundable plus 40% of your profit through the challenge. Not so the challenges were phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So through your challenges, you can earn 40% of your profit back, which is great because if you start earning money within no time limit. So say you made $10,000 on one day, and you get 40% of that, which is $4,000, and you get your refund back. So You have to sign up, and they have different terms of money of what you put into the one step challenge. The rapid challenge, if you're not, they're coming out with that, but if you're not a real solid good trading, been trading for a long time, I would avoid that. But the standard challenge is great. I started with the you got to start with the $50,000. You can start with that. You can start with 10. I mean, this is very little money, guys. I mean, you put that in the market, you're not going to get up to $100,000 right away. You'll have to be trading that for a long time before you see $100,000. And if you're that good at trading the trade $549 to $100,000, then you probably should be doing these challenges and getting more money, getting more leverage. Okay, guys. Again, these prop firms. Best prop firm you're gonna find is called the Funded Trader. I'm not getting any money off of this. As you can see, I don't leave affiliate links. I didn't have any affiliate links on this, so I'm not getting any money off of this. It's just my personal experience and my personal opinion. There may be other ones that people may enjoy better, but from the ones I've tried, this one is the best. Click like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.